what we have done? We have done till now the opening year leaf. Is it right? What we have done, we are talking in terms of the in between, and we have covered something with respect to the beginning years. Is it right? Beginning years, how it has to be special opening year loss relief we have done. Now coming back, terminal loss. If we are going to wind up the business, the closing years, last years of trade are exactly same as those on the ongoing business. The same what is there in the ongoing business. If you are saying last, if you assume that very clearly, you are going to say that this is the first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year. You are having a loss somewhere here, is it right? Somewhere. How you have to treat that loss? This is the terminal loss. The option to carry forward losses is not available. How? It is not, definitely we cannot take forward. And there will be no profits will also be there, and that business will become seized. Okay, an extra option of terminal loss is available. What is the way we have to do? Terminal loss relief carry back we can take to the previous years trading profits if available. Relief against, we can take the same process, relief against the total income, relief against the chargeable gains. Okay, relief against the total gain. Now, if the trading loss occurs in the closing year, the trader has to decide whether we can claim relief against total income or claim terminal loss relief against the trading profits. You have two options. You have to decide. Is that whether we have to take it, we have to decide whether we have to take it against total income or trading profit. Again, the rule is same. You have to take maximum. You cannot take part amount. Okay. That is very, very specific. Is that these things, okay? These things, you keep it in mind. Okay, whenever we are making a revision, this will be very, very handy for us. This is an optional claim, however, will normally be claimed. Otherwise, the benefit or loss may be lost. Is that the relief is to be terminal loss against what? Trading profit. Okay, the relief should be is set against the terminal against the trading profit. Last year, if any, carry back. How many years we take? 3 years. Here we are talking about the LIFO method. See, what we are special relief, what we have done in the special relief opening years. In special year relief opening years, we started from the first year, first in, first out. Okay, you started from here. Whereas trading loss relief, we go from the back. Okay, last one will be the first one. Okay, last one will be the first one. Recent year will be the first one. Okay, that's what is it. The terminal loss is the loss of the last 12 months. Okay, last 12 months. For 2023, the claim must be made. When we have to make a claim, we can make claim maximum by how much? 5th April. Remember these dates, okay? Very important. Within 4 years of the tax years. We can claim maximum by how much? December 28. The terminal loss is the loss of last 12 months. Note that it is not compulsory to make a claim against the total income. Is it right? It is not compulsory to make a claim against total before claiming for total. However, when losses are included in the terminal loss calculation, have already been relieved on another claim. Just see, however, where losses included in the above terminal loss calculations have already been relieved under other claim, that is against total income or chargeable gain, the gain after means if it is already deducted, then the loss has to be reduced. That is a normal situation that we know. It is not that much specific. Okay, it is not that much specific. What they are saying is that what they are saying? They are saying that why cease trading 31st March 2024. His final trade was year ended, but he prepared the accounts like this. Is it? Now what is there 2024. How much is the loss? Loss is 7,200. Is that how much is the loss? Terminal loss 7,200. Is that 7,200? How we have to recover this loss? Last in, first out. Okay, last in, first out. Simple thing. Nothing is there. Where there is, see, what you have to do? We have to start from here. Okay, we have to start from here. Okay, particulars. Is it particulars? What we have to terminal loss calculation. Is it terminal loss relief? Okay, terminal loss relief. Okay, now particulars. Is it particulars? What is the tax year? Year ended how much? It is 20, 31, 3, 21, 31, 3, 22, 31, 3, 23 and 31, 3, 24. Is it right? It is nothing but if you take in our own tax language, it is 20, 20, 20, 20, 21, 20, 21, 22, 20, 22, 23 and 20, 23, 24. Okay. Now, how much is the loss? 7,000. How much is the profit? First take it the profit, trading profit. How much is the trading profit? Trading profit is 7,500, 7,100. Okay, 1,000. Here there is no profit. Put 0. Is it at less? Relief. Okay, less relief. How much is the relief? Relief is we have to go to the last in, first out. Okay, we have to. How much is the loss? Loss is how much? Loss is 7,200. Okay. First you have to go from here. Okay. First you have to go from here. How much you can deduct here? 100. Okay. Minus 100. How much it is there? Still 7,100. How much you can deduct here? 7,000. Still, how much is there? Still 7,000. It is going to be how much? It is going to be 100. From here, how much you will deduct? You are deducting 100. Is it? You are deducting 100. How much is there? 7,400, 0, 0 and 0. Is it? This is called as a revised trading profit. Is it a revised trading profit as per LIFO method? Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, fine. Now, that's the easiest one. Okay, that is the easiest one. Now, maximum deduction from total income. How much we can deduct from the? See, rules are there. Okay, I'm not saying that. Any tax law, there will be rules. Okay, any tax law, there will be rules. Is that how much is, see, there is a limit of relief that can be deducted. How maximum deduction from the total income greater either 50,000 or 25% of adjusted total income, whichever is greater. Okay, whichever is highest, you have to take that. Total income minus what you have to do? Total income minus gross pension contributions. How we are going to calculate adjusted net total income? Adjusted total income is total income minus gross contribution. Note the restrictions will be 50,000. 100 is it 50? Not more than 50,000. Is it? Unless when it will be more than 50,000, when adjusted total income is more than 200,000. If it is more than adjusted total income is more than 200,000, then it will be more than 50,000. Otherwise, it will be less. Yeah, please tell. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. The limit applies to trading losses. Current year total income and the prior year if set against income other than profits. Same trade. You cannot take from the different trade. This rule applies to all cases. Okay. You have to take it from the same trade. Fine. Any trade loss can be set against total income carry forward. Fine. As the relief against total income is all or nothing, it is possible that restriction of the amount can be deducted. Is it? Restriction can amount is deducted. Okay. Now, if does not apply where trading loss is set against profits on the same trade. Fine. Note, trading losses are second trading income from the same trade. Is that we should not take it from the to the other trade. Fine. Now, what they have mentioned it is Sheetal. Is it a Sheetal is how much? Adjusted trading profits is a 64,000 2023 and 2024 127 800. Okay, 127 800. She has savings incomes of how much? 63,000. Okay, she is having a savings income of 63,000 each year, but no other income. She makes pension contribution 5725 each year. Is it right? Pension contribution 5725 each year. Is it? Now, Sheetal wishes to offset the trading loss against total income from 23-24 and 22-23. We can take last 3 years, last in, first out. Okay, last in, first out. We can take for last 3 years. Okay, last 3 years. Now, fine. How much is the loss? 127. Is it right? How much is the loss? 127. Fine. 1 minute. How much is the loss? 23-24. 20. Last in, first out. Okay. Last in, first out. 23-24. Okay. 23-24. How much is the income? Savings income is how much? 63,000. See that? Savings income is 63,000. How much they are contributing? 5,725. Adjusted total income will be that much. Is it right? Adjusted total. We have to check how much loss we can deduct. 50,000 or 25% of the, whichever is higher. Okay, whichever is higher. Is it right? Now, okay, now, is it? No. What we have to do is Sheetal loss relief. Okay, Sheetal loss relief offset. Okay, Sheetal loss relief offset. Okay, now how much is there? 2020, 2022, 23 and 2023, 24. Okay, 2023, 24. Is it right? Now, trading profits are how much? How much is the trade profits? They have, see, she has a savings income. Savings income is how much? 63,000. Okay, savings income is 63,000. 2023 they have the trading results. Is that trading profits are there? How much is the trading profit? 64,000. Okay, 64,000. Is it? And here how much? 0. Okay, here how much? 0. Savings income. Okay, savings income. How much is the savings income? 63,000 here and 63,000 here. Is it? 63 and 63. Okay. Here 63,000 and here 127,000. Okay, 120. This is the total income. Okay, this is the total income. Now, what you have to take? We have to take less loss relief. Is it less loss relief? Okay. Now, when you are taking the loss relief, is it right? We have to see that how much you are going to claim. Okay, how much you are going to claim. Fine. Now, how much we can claim? Okay. Maximum how much we can take? Maximum we can take 50,000. Okay, maximum we can take 50,000. Okay, how you have to calculate? Put it as a working one. Okay, put it as a working one. Okay, when you are doing maximum loss relief. Okay, relief 2020. Okay, 2023, 24. Okay, maximum. What? How much is the? Total income for them? Total income is how much? Total income is 63,000. Is it right? Minus gross pension contribution. How much is the gross pension contribution? 5725. Okay, 5725. How much will get? 5727. Okay, 7 and 5. Okay. Okay. Now this is what? This is the adjusted total income. Okay, this is the adjusted total income. We call it as ATI. Adjusted. See, from this, is it? We have to take 25% of ATI. Okay, 25% of ATI. How much you will get? 57275 times 25%. It comes to how much? How much it comes to? 14319. See, this is 25% or 50,000. Which is more? Is it? We can take how much? We can take how much? 50,000. Okay.
50,000.
Likewise, we have to make the comparison. Okay. How much we can deduct? We can deduct 50,000. Okay. Okay, we can deduct how much? 50,000 maximum. Is it right? Working one. Okay, marking one. Now, what they have said? She makes a gross contribution. She wishes to offset trading her total income from this. Is it the taxable? Assume that the rates applied throughout. Sole trader adjusted trading results as follows. See, how much is the loss here? How much is the loss here? 50,000. Is it right? How much is the loss here? 50,000. Total loss is how much? Total loss is how much? Total loss is how much? 127. Okay, total loss is how much? 127. She can recover how much? She can recover 50,000. From which year? From this year. Same trade, you can recover full trade. But from the others, is it right? From the others, you have to be very selective. Is it? From the others, you have to be very selective. If it is for others, it is maximum 50,000. Getting my point? See the thing. Two conditions are there. If it is from the same trade, 1 minute. Okay. Now, how much is there? 50,000. See the thing. Rules are rules. If it is from the same trade, okay, it is of the same trade, it is full you can recover. If it is from the other income, is it right? If it is from the other income, you can recover only how much? Maximum 50,000. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see the thing. What we are doing, just working to, okay, loss memorandum. Okay, loss memorandum. Okay, how much is the total loss? Total loss is how much? Total loss is how much? Total loss is 127,800. Okay, how much we are deducting from 2324? 2324 we are deducting how much? 50,000. Because it is other income is also there. Okay, other income is also there. Now, how much is from apart from that? Okay, 2324. Next, same trade is there. Okay, same trade is there. Same trade is there. Okay, see the thing. In is it? Yeah. Now you see the thing. You have 63,000. Is it? You have 63,000. You have 63,000. Same trade. How much is the profits? How much is the profits? Profits is 64,000. You can deduct 64,000. Okay, you can deduct 64,000 from the same trade. Okay, 2023, 24, same trade is how much? 64,000. Next, okay, next. You have see, same trade. What we have to mention here? You have to mention here 2022, 23. Okay, 2020. Now, from other income, is that from other income? Maximum how much? Maximum we can take 50,000. Okay, maximum how much you have to take? 50,000. Now, you calculate, see the thing. You calculate how much we'll get. 127,800. 127,800 minus 50,000 minus 64,000. How much is there? How much is there? You have a balance of how much? You have a balance of 13,800. You have a balance of how much? 13,800. Fine. Balance is 13. Maximum you can take how much? 50,000. 50,000 or whichever is higher. Here how much is there? It is only 13,800. Okay, 13,800. We can recover all the amount. Okay, we can recover all the amount. Now you see the thing. Whatever the loss is there, it is going to be how much? Carry forward loss. There is no carry forward loss. Okay, there is no loss carried forward. Further is no. It is going to be 0. Fine. Again, I am telling you this. How much is the total loss? Total loss is 127,800. 2023, how much we have calculated? We have calculated working 1. Okay, how much we have calculated? Working 1. 50,000. Next, 22, 23, same trade, you can deduct all the amount. But with the other income, maximum 50,000. Other income, maximum 50,000. Okay, now how much is the loss we are deducting? This is also what? This is also 22, 23. Is that? This is also how much? 22, 23. How much we are deducting the loss from 22, 23? We are deducting the loss relief. Is it at same trade? Is it at same trade? Working 2. Okay. Same trade how much? 64,000. Other income. Okay. Other income. How much we are deducting? 13,800. Is that 13,800? Okay. If you put the things like this, how much you will get? Here you are getting how much? Here you are getting how much? 63 minus 15, 13,000. Okay, this is minus, this is minus. Okay, 127 minus 64 minus 13,800. Okay, how much you will get? You will get 49,200. This is the net income. Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. See what we have done? We should see when there is a loss, from that loss, if it is same trade, fine. Trading, when we say trading profits, when they say it is a trading profits is nothing but it is from the same trade. Is it? Trading profit is nothing but it is from the same trade. Okay, it is from the same trade asset. That is the reason we have deducted 64,000. Whereas from 60 we have not deducted the other income. If there is other income, we have in the second case what we have done. It is 63,000. That is the other income, savings income. From the savings income, we cannot deduct the maximum amount is 50,000 or 25% of ATR, whichever is higher. Okay, now you have how much net income is this one. From this net income, what we have to do? What we have to do?
We
Taxable.
take the highest.
Huh? In order to calculate taxable income, what you have to do?
Oh,
We have to
we minus the personal
personal income. 12,570.
570.
12,570. Is it 12,570? How much will get? Check.
Yes, correct.
Is it okay? Are you
Yeah.
understanding?
Yes.
Little, it is complicated.
Yeah, it's complicated.
Fine, we'll see. We'll do our best. Okay, inshallah. The moment we'll do as many things, we will make more specific. One, okay, choice of loss reliefs. Okay, you utilizing when planning relief for trading losses, careful concern needs to be given for personal circumstances. Tax advice should aim to satisfy the goals of the taxpayer. Obtain relief at the highest tax rate. Obtain relief as soon as possible. This means that the tax from earlier years is repaid or it may reduce tax payables. Ensure that the taxpayer personal allowance, saving allowance, nil rate band, dividend nil rate band are not wasted. This is what the tax, see, once you are a tax professional, what is advice you will give to your clients? You do give to the client that how each and every option we use to reduce the tax. Okay, as per the rules. Okay, as per the rules. It may not be possible to all satisfy all these aims. In order to get a higher rate of relief, they have to waste the personal allowance because everything you cannot get. Yeah, somewhere we have to compromise. Carrying losses forward may give a higher rate of relief. Is that carrying forward means you will get a higher rate of relief, but the cash flow implications claiming relief rather now than waiting for relief maybe. See, people say that, okay, I will carry forward the relief. Is it carry forward the relief? We'll have some issues, some positive points, some negative points. Okay, some people say that it is better to take the relief. Some people say that, okay, we carry forward the relief. Okay, that's it. The specific circumstances will of the taxpayer, which circumstances the taxpayer in, everyone will have a different opinion. Okay, total income, normal claim, what they say, income relief, timing of relief, flexibility. Is that in understanding the position of a taxpayer, it is it is important to understand the how the things will work. Income relief, total income minus normal claim. Timing of relief, current year or previous year. Okay, flexibility. You have maximum restrictions may apply. How much you can take it during that particular time. Okay. Now there's different options. Okay, in total income minus special opening year claim is there. Okay, preceding 3 years FIFO is there. Is it? Preceding 3 years FIFO is there. Only the first 4 years of that all or nothing can be used with a normal claim out against the total income. Means you can use it with the total income. We can use it with the chargeable gains. We have the option with respect to 50,000. We have the options with respect to the trading profits. Okay, all these options comes one by one. Future trading profit as soon as the possible same trade. It is none. Fine. Trading profit, terminal relief. Terminal leave, we are working on what? LIFO basis. Okay. It happens only when you are winding up the business. Is it right? It is when they say to die. Just very quickly, all the reliefs against total income obtain more relief quickly than relief by carry forward. You read this, okay? Frequently lost. It is easy understandable. Nothing is there. Is it? Frequently involve loss of personal allowance, savings, nil rate band day. See, we have to be very particular with respect to utilizing all the exemptions. That is what they are talking about. Okay, that is what they are talking about. Next, I'm just skipping this reading paragraph. Okay, I'm just skipping this one. Okay, but read. Okay, the is it no. What is the partnership? Trading losses are allocated between partners in exactly same way as profits. Okay. Loss relief claims. Claims available to partners are same about the sole traders. A partner joining a partnership to claim opening year loss, whereas loss incurred in the first 4 tax years of membership. Is that a partner joining means it is as opening year loss and the first 4 years of membership. The relief would not be available, this relief would not be available to the existing partners. This relief is all available to whom? This relief is available to the partner who is joining the partnership. A person who is joining the partnership, they will give you the question that a person is joining the partnership. A partner leaving the partnership will have all the what we have studied, terminal loss relief. Is it? Again, this relief will not be possible to the this relief will not be possible who are in the business. Is it? Who are in the business, for them it is not available. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Now, what is there they have given? See, is it? Dinah, Lenny, and John, okay, are partnership in their accounts. During the tax year 2023-24, John left, okay. Who left? John left. And one has been left and another has been joined, okay. Who has joined? Helen has joined. For for the year ended 5th April, they have a tax adjusted trading loss. Is it? They have a tax adjusted trading loss. Is it? They have a tax adjusted trading loss. How much is the tax adjusted trading loss? Tax adjusted trading loss is 40,000. Is it right? Is it right? Now,
Yes.
state the relief came available to the partners. Is it right? Who are the existing? John left, okay? John left. Is it right? John has left, okay? John has left. When John is left, is it right? He is entitled, okay? He is entitled to terminal loss relief because he ceased, okay? He ceased to be trading. He left, okay? He left. Other partners, Diana, is it right? Diana and Lini. Is it what they can do? They can carry forward losses, okay? They can carry forward loss relief. Is it right? Now, they can see, they can entitled, see all the partners. Is it right? All the partners. Is that all the partners are entitled? Entitled means they are eligible. Okay? Entitled means they are eligible to relief. Okay? To relief. Against what? To relief against total income. Okay? As well as, okay? As well as against chargeable gains. First you have to take from the total income, then you have to take it from the chargeable gains. Okay? Now Helen has joined. Okay? Helen has joined. Okay? Has joined. Okay? She will get, is it right? Opening year. She will get, is it? She will get that opening, okay? Opening year, special opening year loss relief. See, they get opening year loss relief, okay? Special opening year since he start, okay? Okay? Whereas is it Diana and Lini, okay? Will not get either special opening loss relief or terminal loss relief. Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Simple way, okay? It's not, see, where difficulty I will tell. Where difficulty I will ask you. Is difficulty challenging? Then you will also respond, and then I want that assurance, okay? So that I can know where I want to focus more. Milu, Jake and Milu, it is an illustration, okay? It is the answer given in illustration. Fine, we will do it. But if we have a, is it right? Okay. It is only an illustration, okay? We will quickly go through it. It is, okay? They have a ceased trading partnership since, but ceased trading on 20. Profits and losses always share 40%. 40% to Jake and 60% to Milo. Tax adjusted profits for 4 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 21, 22. Jake is single, has no other income. Milo is single and no other income apart from bank interest. Is it right? See, whichever chapter is the last question, illustration. Every chapter will have last question as a illustration. Keep, this is observation. In this, they will before MCQ, there we have to be they cover all the things, okay? They have other income. On December 1st Milu is a single and has no other income or outgoing apart from bank interest received on 1st December from an investment in inheritance. Inheritance means you got it from our forefathers. Okay, he has a chargeable gain of 35,300 for the tax year. And in respect of the disposable assets, assume that rates and allowances fine. Capital gain tax is 10%. We will cover capital gain tax at a later age. What they say, advise the partners possible ways of relieving partnership loss. Okay, partnership, how much is the partnership loss? Partnership loss is 65,000. Okay, partnership loss is 65,000. Okay, there are two possible ways to relieve loss. A claim can be made against total income for the tax years. Subject to this claim made, it may be then possible to charge as a taxable income same year. Is it right? What is this? This is ABC. Okay, this much is the answer. That's all they say. Okay, is it? Now they can claim against total income. How much is the loss? Loss is how much? 65,000. 65,000, 40%, 60%. Okay, 40%, 60%. How much is the profit? That much only we can recover. Okay, how much is the profit? 19, 22, 21. Okay, if you take this one, it will be 19. Okay, it will be this, and this is how much? 22,500. Okay, 22,500. If we take this one, how much? 13 plus 8, 21,000. Check. 21,000. They have shared the things between 40% and 60%. Okay, for the last 3 years. Okay, for the last 3 years. Now, advise the partner to which claims will be most beneficial. Is it? The most beneficial loss claim will be terminal loss claim, as no other income or gains. Milo also make terminal loss claim, but this will be waste of personal allowance for several years. Milo can make a terminal loss claim. Is it right? But this would waste most of his personal for several years. Okay, it is more beneficial for Milo to claim against the total income 4350. Okay, fine. Just hold it out. Okay, hold it out. We'll do the question illustration now. Illustration we will have to work with the things. Okay, fine. This paper, if there is a possibility, I have sent you. Take the printout of this paper. Every chapter you have this paper summary. Okay. Now tell me about this. Waverly has trading for many years and incurred tax adjusted trading loss. Okay. Which of the following statement is correct? Is it? Which of the following statement is correct with regard use of the loss? Tell me. The first one is correct.
Yes, sir.
Which one is correct? Tell me.
Uh,
They have a trading for many years. Incurred tax adjusted trading loss. 31st March 2024.
first one is not correct.
Okay.
Second one is correct. We say because we say we can take the loss to next year.
The loss can be set against total income for the tax year 23-24, but only after the loss is set against total income for the tax year. There is no condition, is it that? There is, but only after the loss. Is it right? But only
Yeah.
after the law. They say condition that you have to do it. There is no. You have the election. You have the concept of you can decide what you can do, what you cannot do. Is that you can decide what you can do. There's no conditional. Have you ever come across any conditional rule?
No.
No. Is it? We not say that conditional rule. Is that there is nothing that you have to cover, you have to take this and you have to. See what they say, we have covered across conditional with respect to FIFO and LIFO. Is that this is the opening years. Opening years you have to take from, is it right? And here we have to take it from, starting from the recent to the next one. This is right? This is what is there, but there is no conditional. Is it? This is also not.
Correct.
The loss can be set against total income, irrespective whether the loss has been set against total income for the tax year 2020. The rule says that first it has to be deducted from where total income. Then it has to be deducted from chargeable gains. Okay?
Income.
Chargeable gains. Now, what is the loss can be said total income of 22, 22, 23. Okay? Then 23, 24. Okay? Now, trading for many years. Is it right? Trading for many years. When they are trading for many years, they say that first what we are doing the 22 23 previous year, okay, we are taking from the previous year, whether the loss is against current year tax year is irrespective, we will go with the previous year. Is that we can make sure that if it is available, we can take it for the loss can be set against the total income of 22-23. Is it right? 22, 20,
Yes.
irrespective whether the loss has been set against total income of current year.
So this is also not correct.
How? How?
Because they say uh, whether the loss has been set against total for the next year.
Think.
Or there is no rule on this one?
Check.
No
Total
rule.
income.
I don't know. I think it's not correct.
Where we have covered this? Where we have covered this? Many years. Continuation of the business. Okay? Continuation of the business. 1 minute. Terminal. This is terminal loss. Okay? Terminal loss. Special this is open. Now you will come. You will come. Uh, where is that? Point number 5, okay, relief against chargeable gains, okay. Just note down that relief against chargeable gains. Obtaining set against total income of the tax year of the law, then set against total income of the previous tax year. Set against total, set, then against, see the things. It is there. 5 key options. It is there. It is there on page number 333. It is there.
In which one?
Here it is on the here. Is it
Ah,
right?
yeah.
Is it right? I know. Is it right? 5 key options. It is there to
Yeah.
consider. Due to wording and the fact claim can be made in any order, the taxpayer has 5 key options to consider. Set against total income of the tax in the same year. Then you have to go to the previous year. Set against total, this is the answer for that. Set against total income of the previous tax year, then set against the total income of the current tax. Okay, this is with respect to test your understanding 8. Okay, test your understanding 8. Set against total of and the loss year. It is that, see, we have to, what we are doing, we are settling the loss in the same year. Is it right? In the first, we are against the tax of, set against total income of tax year of the loss, then you for the previous year, or go for the previous year and then you did the current year, or take the current year only, okay, which year it incurred loss, or take the previous year only, or don't take any losses, carry forward this. Is it right? See, very simple. First take the current year and previous year, then second one previous year and current year, third one is current year, the fourth one is previous year, the fifth one is see, I will write like this, okay? I will put one matrix like this. It will be easy for you, okay? The first one is previous year, current year. Is it right? Previous year, current year, previous year, current year, okay? And yeah, previous year, current year, okay? You have options are there, okay? The first one is what? The first one is take the year of tax, year of loss, okay? Take the year of loss. How you have to put it? 1 minute. This is good idea, but 1 minute. This is good idea, but 1 minute. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 1, 2. This is okay. One, two, three, 4, and 5. Okay. First one is what? Current year, then first current year, then previous year. Okay. Second one is what? Second one is first you have to take previous year, then you take current year. Okay. Previous year and current year. Third one is what? You take the set against the total of the tax year. Okay. This is, you can put it as a tax year. Okay. Is a tax year. Okay. Tax year. That's all. Is it? Don't put current year is nothing but the tax year. Okay. Current year it is nothing but the tax year. Okay. Current year is nothing. 1 minute. 1 minute. If you are putting so much effort, just have patience. This is the tax year. Okay. This is the tax year. Okay. Third option is you can take it on the tax. Fourth option is you can take it. You can take it to the previous year. Okay. You can take it to the previous. The fifth option is you carry forward. Are you clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Is it right? Are you clear about this? See, this is what we do naturally. In every business, we do the same. Is it? Based on that, what they say, the loss can be set against the total. This is the previous year. Is it right? This is the previous year. And this is the tax year. Okay. This, see, that loss may be carried forward. When you are carry forwarding, nothing is there. You cannot do anything. Is it right? We cannot take it from the trading income. The loss cannot. There is no trade total income, but only after there is no condition. Is that there is no condition? They say that you can set against the previous year, irrespective whether the loss has been against the total income. The loss can be set against the taxable income for the tax year 2023 or taxes. You cannot set against. Okay, you have to have the set of rules. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Okay. This is, I will write it again. Page number 333. Okay. 5 options. Option 2. Option 2. Is it okay?
Yes.
We'll finish it off and we'll close. Okay? Is it fine?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Just 2 or 3. Why we have to keep? Next, tomorrow we'll start new one. Okay? What they say, Lena has a trading picture for many years. Recent has been shown. 45,000 this one. Other income is how much? 5,000. Okay? Each year. Assume that Lena has a loss relief in most efficient way. How much loss, if it is unavailable, carry forward for the tax year 24-25. Is it right? Trading profits are how much? 25. Okay, 22. Trading profits are how much? 22, 23, 23, 24. What they are asking us,
How much they lost?
assume that Lena claims relief for her loss in the most efficient way. If any is available, carry forward for the tax year 24-25. Is it 24-25? How much is the trading profits Lina's trading as a picture for me here, recent results. How much is there? 30,000. 30,000. Bank interest is how much? 5,000. Okay, bank interest is how much? 5,000. Fine, bank interest is how much? 5,000. 45,000. Okay, 1 minute, 1 second. How much is the loss? Loss is 45,000. Okay, 45,000. 22, 23. 22, 23. 20, 23, 24. Okay, this is the loss for when? This is the loss for 20, 23, 24. Is that 20, 23, 24? Okay, 23, 24. This is 20, 22, 23. Okay, 20, 22, 23. Fine. $24, $25. They are asking only for $24, $25. Okay, they are asking for $24, $25. This is 20, 21, 22. Okay, this is 20, 21, 22. Fine. Next. How much is the, see, current year, previous year. Okay, current year, previous year. Fine. Current year and previous year you have to take. How much is the loss? Loss is how much? Loss is in 23, 24. Okay, loss is in 23, 24 is how much? 45,000. Okay, next. How much you can, current year loss, is it right? We have to take previous year the relief. Okay, relief, how much? 20, 22, 23. Okay, how much is the profits? Profits is how much? Profits is the trading partner. How much is results? Her results is how much? 25,000. Okay, plus bank interest. How much is the bank interest? 5,000. Okay, how much this is it right? Bank interest is how much? 5,000. Is it right? How much it will get? 30,000. Is that current year and previous year? That's all. 5 options. Okay, how much they can take? They can take it relief of how much? 30,000. Okay, they can take it relief of how much? 30,000. How much is there? 15,000. Okay, this 15,000 they can carry forward. Understanding my point? How much is this? Is the loss. Okay, this is the loss is 45,000 current year. Now they have previous year how much? Income is how much? 25 plus 5. Okay, 30,000. Balance is 15,000. They can carry forward to the next year. Okay, they can carry forward to the next year. Or you can put like this also. Okay, you can put like this also. We are trading profits. Okay, trading profits. How much is there? We have to take previous year only. Okay, 22, 23, okay, 23, 24, okay. How much is the trading profits? Trading profits is 25,000. Here you have a loss, okay. You have the income, bank interest, okay. You have the bank interest. How much is the bank interest? 5,000. Here also how much? 5,000. Is it here also how much? 5,000. Fine. Now how much is there? You will have here 30,000. Is it? You have a 5,000. Okay, you have a 30,000. Now this is okay. Now you will not use personal allowance. Okay, you will use the loss relief. Okay, you will say loss relief. How much is the loss relief? Relief is how much? Loss relief is 30,000. Okay, you don't have here anything. Okay, is it? Same trade. Okay, it has to be against the same trade. Is it right? Trading partner. Is it right? Bank interest is not from the same trade. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 1 minute. One minute. Okay. Fine. Loss relief is how much? Loss relief is, it comes to how much? Loss relief is this much and it is going to be 5,000. Okay. Losses. What they are saying, most efficient way. Okay, most efficient way. We are here. What we are doing here, we have a personal allowance of 12,570. Okay, we have the loss relief is there. Is that loss relief is 30,000. Okay, what we are doing, we are using the loss relief completely. Okay, maximum extent completely. We are not using the personal allowance. Okay, we are not using. If we take into consideration the personal allowance we are not using. Is it? It has been wasted. We are not using it. Here we are using the personal allowance of how much? 5,000. Okay, you are using the personal allowance of 5,000. Are you clear about this? How they are saying that? How we are using in the most efficient way. Is that most efficient way means that is the reason maximum amount you can use, even you are going to misutilize your personal allowance. Where is the benefit? So that in the end what will happen? The taxable income will be zero. Here we are using the personal allowance of 12,570. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now last one. Okay, this is the last. Which of the following statements about trading losses are true? A trading loss can only be carried forward. No, it is not for 2 years. Okay, it is not for 2 years. We cannot carry forward trading loss. No, subject to the condition. It is whether it is how subject to the scenario. A trading loss carry forward must be deducted from the future profits of the same trade. This is very important. The moment you see this, you just hold the answer. Okay, you hold before you put a tick mark, hold the answer. A claim against total income must be made for the tax year of loss before carrying it back. Is it? There is nothing like that. 5 options. Okay, see the thing. Now you can see. You have the 5 options. There is no condition is there. Okay, you can carry forward. You can take it deducted. Is it? You must. There is nothing like must be made for the tax year. Is that? It is not. When a loss is deducted from the total income, it can be restricted to allow personal incomes. No. Is it right? There is nothing, we can be lost from the total, it can be restricted, we cannot restrict it, okay? We cannot restrict to allow to be, first there is no condition that we have to take personal allowance and then we have to take the losses, is it right? The most attractive and most intelligent is that you have to, a loss carried forward must be deducted from future profits with the same trade. Is it okay?
Yes.
Fine.